Holding on to these and haven't worn them yet because I wanted to do the unboxing for you guys. Yeah, so these are the Ugg Fur Slides, and these were gifted to me. Hey YouTube, it's Kharyzma, and in today's video I have an Ugg Sandals unboxing. These are the Ugg Fur Slides. My name is Kharyzma and my channel is Kharyzma for you. If you're new to my channel, welcome, and if you're a long-time subscriber, welcome back. So no further ado, let's get into the video. Okay guys, these are some Ugg slides that I got for my birthday. I was gifted these and I was doing so much. I went to Miami. If you haven't already, check out my Miami vlog parts 1 and 2. I went to Miami for my birthday and I got so many gifts and stuff like that. This is one of them, and I'm like, okay, I don't want to wear them until I do the unboxing. So my birthday's in May. We're in the month of July. My birthday was May 18th and I've been holding on to these and haven't worn them yet because I wanted to do the unboxing for you guys, and I'm so happy that I'm finally getting to do them. So now I'll be able to wear them. So yes, so these are the Ugg Fur Slides, and these were gifted to me. It always feels good when people give you gifts. So they come in this nice. I really love this bag. I'm gonna keep this bag. I am going to keep this bag. I just love it. It's so pretty. And so they come in the box like this. And let's see what it says. It says Ugg Fluff Slides right there. And let me open it on camera. So this is what you see when you open the box. It's so hard to open it. These are so cute. Now the person who got these for me knows that I always wear pink, so they decided to get me a different color. This is a blue, and it's perfect because I don't have anything. It looks like a powdery type of blue. I don't have anything in this color. So it comes like this. Let me put the box aside. These are what they look like. And let me take out the packaging and then I'll show you some more. Okay, so these are what they're looking like. And on the inside, they say Ugg, and then the strap is elastic and it says Ugg. And it's really furry and fluffy underneath. This is so cute. I love this here underneath. It's just really cute. You know, slides are all the rave, and these came out a while ago, so they're not new, but they're still selling them, and I'm just so happy that I got them for my birthday. These are kind of pricey for some Ugg slides. I believe they're like $100 for these. I had other Fur Slides that were not Uggs that you can get those same ones that look like them for a lot less, maybe like $20-$25. But yeah, the real Ugg ones, you're gonna pay like $100 for these. So these are so pretty, and I want to try them on for you. I'm gonna try them on for you guys so that you can see them on me, and I'll let you know how I feel. These were in a size 7 because I go anywhere from a size 7 to a size 8. Usually with slides and stuff like that, sandals, I can do 7, and when in doubt, I just do 7.5, because either way, 7.5 will always fit. If 7.5 is too big, it's really not that much bigger. I'm more like a 7.5. And 8 with these would be too big, whereas I can wear some 8s and some boots and stuff like that. So it's strange, but the 7 fits really well. I put one on for you here, but I'll try it on in the video. I can't show you. That's what it's looking like here. I'm gonna insert the clip on the side so you guys can see. Let me change the setup of the camera now so I can show these. Feel so soft. I love them. But yeah, guys, I'm really loving them. I don't want to take them off. They feel so soft. So I cannot wait to wear them and style them. I don't have anything in blue, but I'm pretty sure I can find something to match with them. Again, this is the color. So it's like a powdery, I don't know what color to call it. What does this say? It doesn't even say the color. Normally it would say a color, they would give it a name. They didn't do that, but I love these. This is different. I'm happy because I don't have anything this color in my wardrobe, so this is definitely different and I love it. So if you guys have any questions, just put them in the comments. I will be sure to answer any questions that you may have. I have some designer slides hauls and also some summer shoe hauls on my playlist, so make sure you check out my videos. I'll leave links in the description and just check out my videos. If you haven't subscribed to the channel already, subscribe and hit the notification bell. I do videos on fashion, beauty, and lifestyle, and a little bit of everything else. So follow me also on Instagram and TikTok. All my info will be in the description. Guys, I love you all. Talk to you later.